What would be funny is if I actually drop when I'm
No, you
sitting
wouldn't
down.
drop. Me not catch him.
When I sit down though. Now when I dance.
Wow.
She's like, oh. You guys would laugh at me though, wouldn't you? I know you would.
That one was Burna Boy anytime, right?
I love that.
Yeah.
I love the Afrobeat, but it has a little salsa thing going.
Yeah, wicked.
I'm feeling it,
Wicked.
feeling it.
It's nice. My foot them would have tie up though. I'd end up with like a knot.
But you know what? I feel greatness comes in all areas. You know what I mean? So I feel like you don't need to do that. I'll do it for you.
All right.
I'll do enough for both.
I like.
Right?
We talk.
Welcome to Daytime Live. It's Tuesday and we are back. Craig.
Yeah.
How it's been a minute. How was your weekend? How everything?
Hot.
I know that, but I mean, how was your week? I'm joking. You got it? You got it? You got no? Okay.
Nah, man, it's crazy. The heat is really bad, man.
It's really bad.
The heat is really bad.
I was in my bedroom, AC on, coming down here, fan on, and I'm like, is the AC working?
No, man.
I was like,
crazy.
So yeah.
Crazy. You have to walk with ice water and a spray bottle and them something.
It's true.
It's like true. It's like you have to part the alcohol. You have to carry two spray bottles.
I was just gonna say forget alcohol, man. No, just ice water.
I turn on the fan. I just spray it in the fan.
Just there. No, man. And I'm still upset because I'm still trying to reach out to JPS about my $49,000 light bill that tripled. I'm not hear nothing. So I'm advocating. Anybody want to start a civil suit? I'm here. Call me at Nisha here on Instagram and we'll do it together. True talk, true talk.
Here's Nisha, class action.
Class action. So, due to the coronavirus pandemic, guys, we cannot have any studio audience for a while, but you, our audience at home, we would still love to have you guys participate with us. So, what we want you to do is to send us a video or a photograph of you or a family member watching Daytime Live and post it on our Facebook page with the hashtag Daytime Live and tag us on your Instagram stories because, you know, when you tag it, we can see it and then we will actually just show it on our show.
So we have a few for you. So from Facebook today, we have photos from Chanel Shakaberry Flowers.
Shakaberry Flowers. Hey, Chanel, what did I say about the pictures of Duff Dot? Hey! She said two,
She's got two.
I like her. Chanel, Shakaberry.
Chanel, watch your boaty, you know.
Family.
The next picture is from Jody and Johnson.
Jody Ann. Oh, this is Jody Ann?
Oh, this is Jody Ann, but she look like Chanel.
Oh, that's still Shakaberry.
Unless it's a twin.
Because I was going to be like, you know.
Unless it's a twin.
So we also have Makeba Williams. Hello. I like that. You see how she have everybody? She's beautiful as well. Beautiful black princess.
The next one is Milo X Smiley.
Let me stand up for Milo. Yes. Because you know I'm going to get none till today. So I appreciate that, people.
That's
Come on.
Not
take one now. Take one, guys.
Why not take these things so personal?
No, because Duffy and you did have done me.
But I never knew it was a competition. Isn't it about the audience? I thought it was about the audience.
No, it's about Duffy started it and I'm joining him. Beautiful. Daisha, is that Daisha? Shalshev Humes. Look at these beautiful. Is that mommy and daughter? Sister and sister? Both of them are stunning. And I like that. Equal opportunity. Both of us on there. That's good. That's good.
So the next one is from Dixie Lindo. Let me see what Dixie is doing. Hey. You can't thumbs down on the woman picture. Hey, you see it? You see it? That's why I don't take picture with me, you know. So the last one was Kenisha, high-tech
Kenisha! Okay, I'm gonna stop shouting. Big up yourself, Kenisha. I love you guys. You know what? Keep the vibe, keep everything, keep the communication going, keep the connecting going, and connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter. Our handle is at TVJ_Daytime Live. However, for Facebook, it's at TVJ Daytime Live.
And remember that you can always catch back episodes via onespotmedia.com or on YouTube. Just search Daytime Live TVJ and you'll find us, right? So let's get buzzing.
Right.
I think you should start.
Yes, I'll jump in here. So visitors from the high-risk American states of Florida, New York, Arizona, and Texas are now required to pre-test for the new coronavirus before traveling to Jamaica. That was said by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Now, combined, the 4 states have recorded more than 755,000, or you could just call it 30% of COVID-19 cases in the United States, and are among Jamaica's most important source markets. Now, other states may be added to the list, the Prime Minister hinted.
So the precautionary move coincides with the European Union's mulling over whether or not to ban travel by Americans to its state, and is a policy U-turn on the Holness administration's initial resistance to calls by local medical professionals to impose pre-testing protocols. Now, the new pre-testing online portal becomes operational in July, so test results should be no older than 7 days and must be uploaded to visitjamaica.com portal, with travel commencing as of July 10. So, I don't know. So I want to see how this online portal works. I understand you've been getting notifications already.
Yes, there's something on the iPhone, you guys. I'm sure you all know about it by now because you guys are more technical, more savvy than me. But I checked on my iPhone in health. You know, when you go into privacy and then you go into health. So do that now. And if you look at the top of it, you'll actually see on iPhone and Androids, you will see COVID-19 risk or something like that. They can turn it on and off. And what it does, it shows you if you've been in contact or close proximity to somebody that has recently been diagnosed with COVID-19, or if they've been previously diagnosed. So it kind of tells you like how close, you know, they have the tracker on and the locator on, where's your location, so they can keep in touch with who you are. And this was uploaded on your phone without you even knowing. It's there. Going to privacy, health, COVID-19, without you even knowing it.
But privacy doesn't sound too private to me. I see on my phone still. I hope.
You haven't looked into the thing. You haven't followed the steps.
However,
it's there.
I hope it's not there, and I'm just not saying it.
See, our producer at the start was like, "Me no see it in the privacy.
I don't have nothing.
And she just did it, and she said it's there. It's on everybody's phone.
My entire phone is private.
All right, I'll tell you guys because it's there.
I don't know how.
It's there.
I'm not giving him a phone. Messages of encouragement continue to pour in for dancehall artist Rygan King, who was shot and injured during an incident following a funeral in Westmoreland on Sunday. The DJ, whose real name is Matthew Smith, is currently resting well, according to reports out of his camp. His handlers issued a thank you message yesterday on behalf of his family and friends and requested privacy at this time. They encouraged prayers and others involved. So, condolences to the friends and family of her.
And I just want to say, and I know this is on a different kind of note, but we need to stop with the crime and the violence now. I'm tired of seeing so many people hurting and dying and murdering, and we need to, something not go on. We need to do a little more because the love, one love, with the love there.
we need to do a whole heap more, but it's a very long process and a very deep process, but it's a serious thing.
Yeah, man. Speaking of love, facing strong public backlash. Wait, let me fix my face. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has issued an apology and is asking for forgiveness over his recent actions at a parliamentary committee meeting discussing proposed sexual harassment legislation. Now, Chuck has been heavily criticized after indicating that he believed that sexual harassment should be reported within 12 months and laughed as he expressed the view that Jamaica should avoid bringing the hashtag #MeToo movement here, bringing it here.
So the Justice Minister apologized in the third person on Twitter on Saturday, but that did not quell the outrage that was growing since last week. Some critics are calling for Chuck's resignation. In a statement yesterday, Chuck said his actions were inappropriate and I deeply regret what, upon reflection, was insensitive behavior on my part, and I unreservedly and sincerely apologize. I also ask for the public's forgiveness and commit to championing the cause and concerns of our women and to be an ally and advocate representing fully and fairly the women of Jamaica. This is what he added.
I'm sorry we don't have a lot of time to delve into this, but for me that's unacceptable. I'm not really into politics because I feel like Anyway, this situation, the fact that he's the Minister of Justice, now you want to say you want to champion for women? I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't buy it. It's not okay. It's not acceptable. And I'm not here for it. 3 out of 4 women in Jamaica have been sexually abused, sexually assaulted. It's not okay for you to be laughing and joking. And so what the Me Too movement needs to come here. It needs to come here because too many of you have been getting away with too many things for far too long. Let's be clear. So don't get me negative.
I don't think the Me Too movement is here.
Well,
no, definitely.
They tried something, but even the tambourine army, nothing came of that.
No, but what
she, in fact, got in trouble and because, anyway, you know what I'm talking about. She got in trouble, not who
what I'm saying
he sued
is that
her.
This is clearly an archaic system, right? And
with archaic people, though?
Yes, and you have people that are here that are given the task of championing for people that don't have as big a voice.
Yeah.
But when you have people like that, they need to understand deeply the situations that they're championing for.
Yeah.
And a statement like that, the way it was delivered, because there are undertones that actually make sense, because the quicker these things are addressed,
and
is the better and the
to come forward earlier
it is for the victim.
Absolutely.
Right?
We have 6-year-olds that's going through what they're going. You have teenagers, you have people at college who are being sexually assaulted. They're still at college. I can't say nothing because their director or the administrator or the principal or whatever, they can't come forward. So, and then he said, remember that statement you tell me he said when he was like, so if I did something 20 years ago and somebody come forward, I can't even forget what I did 20 years ago.
It was like you can't remember. I might not even remember.
I might not.
You can't say things like that. It shows that you are out of touch with the people that you are supposed to be representing. That's what it does. And that is that it cannot be like that. And if it is even that the leaders might not have direct experience with situations like that, he should have advisors that are there and able to tell him how to move and operate within a system that already has the Me Too movement. You can't be saying you don't want it there. You understand? These things are already
and you're 100% right. It's okay for you to say, you know what, I don't have a lot of experience in this area, so I'm going to let Craigie T, I'm going to let whatever step out. You're not my minister. I'm just saying, not minister of my justice.
More.
We're going to talk about it more. That's right. Daytime Live. We'll soon we'll be back in a second, and we'll be talking about World Social Media Day.
Yeah.
Let's continue the conversation on social media. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. Soon come back.
No, but